Understanding the Floodgates of Tribulation, a deep dive. Describe. #shorts discover the floodgates of tribulation and uncover the profound insights that can transform your understanding of spiritual challenges. In this deep dive, we'll explore how trials and struggles shape our character, offering resilience and strength. By recognizing the significance of tribulation, you can find hope even in adversity. Learn about the importance of faith, perseverance, and community support during tough times. Let's unlock the mysteries together. Don't forget to engage with this content by liking, subscribing, or dropping a comment. #tribulation, #spiritual growth, #faith journey, #resilience. #shorts, #tribulation, #deep dive, #understanding faith, #spiritual journey, #inner peace, #faith exploration. Keywords: tribulation explained, floodgate symbolism, understanding tribulation, floodgates of hell, theological discussions on tribulation, prophetic insights, spiritual depth in tribulation, biblical tribulation, end times theology.